Hi there, my name is Keith. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I am going to show you how I make money on Instagram. This is not affiliate marketing, and I am not selling anything on Instagram to make money. So to know more and be able to make money on Instagram, please watch this video till the end. I will also give you some free bonuses to boost your Instagram earnings. But before I continue, this channel is all about making money, forex trading, tutorials and vlogs. To keep on receiving these type of videos, be sure to subscribe, like and share. So what are the requirements to make money on Instagram? There are a lot of ways to make money on Instagram, but today I am going to show you the most simplest and easiest method of making money on Instagram. You are not going to sell anything or recruit people. The only requirements needed are an Instagram account, of course, a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account that can both send and receive money in any country, let me know in the comments. I will help you create one. And without wasting any of your precious time, let us begin. The platform that is going to allow us to make money on Instagram is Milliondollar.rule. The link is in the description. But before you leave this video and register, please watch till the end to know how to use it and get yourself some free bonuses I mentioned. So how can Milliondollar.rule help us make money on Instagram? It is simple. Just consider Milliondollar.rule as a marketplace where brands or companies meet with influencers and partner or get paid to share the company's products or services to your audience. An influencer is someone who has a great influence on an audience. You do not need millions of followers. And by the end of this video, I will show you how you can get Instagram follows fast for free. So after creating an account with Milliondollar.rule, you will need to connect your Instagram account, and Milliondollar.rule will fetch your account details. The more followers you have, the more you will receive offers and the more you will make money on Instagram. Thank you for reaching this far. That is the process. If you have questions, feel free to comment. I mentioned about the free bonus if you watch this video till the end. I talked about how to get followers for free the easy way. Well, download my PDF book below. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.